What is up, guys? Andrew's No Excuses TV here, and today we're kind of throwing back to whenever me and Britt had a chance to test out the Petzl BOREO climbing helmet. Weather's been great. Actually, weather's been horrible lately. Today's been awesome. It's been a lot of raining, so we haven't been able to get out. And so, we were able to go and test out the Petzl BOREO, kind of what the perks were. Well, we liked it more than the BOREO. We have both, so we kind of tested them, looked at them both, and we're going to show you what we think. So, if you like these kind of videos, product review style, make sure you like this video, subscribe down below, comment if you want to see us test out other things, and let's get to it. All right, so we've been extremely blessed. We've actually got some more stuff coming, so you'll get to see some more stuff. But this week in the mail, we got the Bug BOREO. No, we got the Bug. We got a little Ticket. I think it's how you say it, a headlamp, and then we got a Luna harness. But earlier before that, this summer, we got the BOREO. So I have the BOREO on right now, but if you notice, it's really like, I don't know if it's male. It really has some features that, if you are a female, if you have a ponytail, whether you're male or female, it can be a little frustrating because, like mine right now, if you see it in the back, like I really had to make it lower, and it comes out of my pony a lot easier because I have long hair. But it's really designed and kind of fit for a bigger style head, where the BOREO is not. So Brittany's been wearing the BOREO all day. I'm just going to ask her a few questions about it. We'll get her perspective because obviously she's the one wearing it. She's the one you want to hear from, so not me. So here we go. All right, so the BOREO, can you, like, how does it feel like narrow-wise? Does it feel like it's tighter to your head on the sides or anything?
Yeah, it has a really good fit. There's some adjustable straps here that you can take them in and out. I was going to model it. Oh, there we go. And it gets it really tight. It's like a perfect fit. I really like the, I don't have my ponytail in now, but there's a little space right here that kind of dips up for a ponytail.
So yeah, that's what I was talking about, where you could go through and it has that higher indentation, so you can get a higher ponytail, get it a little tighter, whereas mine, Brittany can hold it, if you can see mine back here, like I have my ponytail in, but that keeps pushing it, like I have to have it pretty low, because even when I pull it tight, it starts pushing my helmet forward, and that gets a little frustrating, honestly, when it starts pushing it forward. So I kind of would have liked a BOREO, but then the sizes were weird because it's really designed for like a female head. So how did you notice it when you're climbing any? So whenever I'm climbing with mine, like I don't notice it until I'm putting it on and taking it off. What was it like?
Oh yeah, no, you don't notice it when you're climbing. Like I said, it'll adjust to your head, and it just feels, I always feel safe with more safety equipment on. But no, you don't notice it, and the strap underneath your chin to make it tighter, it's very comfortable. So, and you can't beat the color. Yeah,
I like the purple. That's one thing. The BOREO, the one I have, was a little plain color.
I do like this helmet better than the last helmet I wore.
Which was this one, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So for a while, this was the only helmet we had. This is the only helmet that we wore the entire time. So we just kind of switched back and off. Whoever was climbing had it. So we really wanted at least one more helmet, and they had the BOREO. And like, yeah, I think there's a distinct difference you can tell when you're wearing it compared to what yours. So let's take them off real quick, both of them. I want to hold them side by side, look at them. So if you look at the BOREO compared to the BOREO, obviously this one's a little bit thicker, a little bit wider. This one's a little bit sleeker through the sides, a little bit narrower, fits the head a little bit more, because again, the female's gonna have that little narrower head. And if we turn them around and look at the backs of them, you can really start to see that difference. Here's that big loop for the BOREO. The BOREO does not have it. That's straight across. This is probably my biggest complaint, but it's only because I have a long hair. If I didn't have this, it wouldn't be that. Both of them have the straps. These a little bit farther on the back, but my head's bigger, that's why it's pushed back. These are up on the sides. They both have clips here for headlamps, or I've been using mine for GoPros, and they have a lot of vents at the top. If you look at the inside, both double strapped. Both have padding all the way around. Both about the same amounts of padding. This
padding also is really good on the forehead too. It's really comfortable. Usually I feel like a lot of helmets, especially like bicycle helmets or something that you buy just at Walmart, the padding is really thin, and this one is really, it's thicker padding, and you can feel like more of a jelly type substance inside of it.
So yeah, I can't really notice mine when I'm climbing. One thing, we'll see how well this thing holds up sweat, because I was sweating a lot in it today, but the next time I'll just kind of wrap up and you'll see me like in our little studio, and we'll talk about kind of our final thoughts on it. We've been using those helmets ever since we made those videos, and I've got shorter hair now, but I still put it in a ponytail, which has made it even a little harder for the to wear mine, to wear that gray Boreo helmet, just because my ponytail has to be a lot higher and tighter, and so if I'm wearing that. But we've loved them. They've been great, and that simple design for that ponytail to be in that back of that Boreo is such a game changer if you have long hair. Now again, size-wise, they're going to be off because of how the helmets are designed or whatever, but for the most part, great helmets. We love climbing in them, and except for putting it on, taking it off, I've never really noticed that. It never gets to my line of sight, it never gets in my way. I'm never getting it caught on stuff, and every time I bump my head, I get reminded that it's there. So check them out. That's Petzl BOREO, but this one is really more about the Petzl BOREA and all its awesome features that we have. So if you like this video, make sure you click that thumbs up button down below. Make sure you subscribe, comment what you want to see us. Comment. What do you think? Have you tried these Boreo helmets? Have you tried the Boreo? Do you rather climb with or without a helmet? Let us know in the comments down below, and we will see you in the next one.